Hello everyone, let's dive into the AV Access HDBaseT DisplayPort KVM extender. This device aims to solve the problem of extending your DisplayPort signal, along with USB and audio, over long distances without sacrificing quality or introducing lag. The AV Access extender supports resolutions up to 4K at 30 Hz and even 1080p at a smooth 120 Hz. This makes it suitable for everything from office work to gaming and video editing. The unit boasts zero latency, which is crucial for applications where timing is critical. Whether you're controlling a remote server, working on a CAD design, or playing a fast-paced game, that responsiveness is key. This extender uses HDBaseT technology to transmit signals up to 330 feet over a single Cat 5E66A7 cable. This simplifies installation and reduces cable clutter, especially compared to running multiple individual cables. The transmitter provides power to the receiver via PO, further streamlining the setup by eliminating the need for a separate power adapter at the receiver end. The inclusion of two USB 2.0 ports on the receiver unit is a welcome addition, allowing you to connect a keyboard, mouse, or other USB peripherals. This turns the extender into a true KVM solution, giving you complete control over a remote computer. Beyond video and USB, the AV Access extender also supports bidirectional stereo audio, ensuring seamless audio integration in both directions. RS-232 and EDIT pass-through are also supported, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices and displays. The build quality appears solid, with a metal enclosure that should withstand the rigors of daily use. The device features DIP switches for configuration and screw terminals for secure connections. It also adheres to CE specifications. In summary, the AV Access HDBaseT DisplayPort KVM extender offers a comprehensive solution for extending DisplayPort, USB, and audio signals over long distances. With its support for 4K resolution, zero latency performance, PO functionality, and USB KVM capabilities, it's a versatile tool for a variety of applications. If you need to control a computer from a distance without sacrificing performance, this extender is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.